The Weather Channel presents Ice Pilots, premiering Monday, March 5th at 9. Now your local on the 8s.
A winter storm watch is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 33 degrees under fair skies. Our local Doppler radar. Today, mix of rain and snow, high 37. Winds south-southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. For tonight, chance of snow showers overnight, low 17. Winds west at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 30%. On Monday, partly cloudy, high 28. Winds west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Monday night, chance of snow showers overnight, low 24. Chance of snow 40%. Here's our 7-day outlook.